Hi guys, so Instagram just introduced a new feature in India called Instagram Reels, and it is basically TikTok, okay, and it is going to give TikTok a very good competition. And I think it is India is the fourth country that that feature made available. I think Brazil and Germany and France are the other countries. So anyway, I'm just gonna introduce you guys how you can actually make Instagram Reels, and it is actually a very good business move from Instagram, especially India basically banned TikTok, right? So it's actually a very good business move. So I'm just gonna show you guys how you can actually make the Instagram a reel. So first of all, just click the camera icon which you can see in the upper left corner, and here you can see that's how you actually create stories, right? But you can actually see a new feature is available now on the right side, the reels, and that is basically the Instagram reels. And here you can actually record. If you click the button, just you can it is actually gonna record everything you say, and it is currently I think it is only 15 seconds long. I think in future I think they definitely increase it, and you can see actually add different music which you like, and I think the speed you can see here, and you can see the different effects you can add, and timer of course, and basically the same, basically almost the same feature as TikTok. And if you're done with it, just click it and just click one more, and here you can see that's how you actually gonna post the Instagram reels, and add caption whatever you want and just share it. And you can see here also share to feed, and if you take it, basically it also show up on your Instagram feed. And if you untake it, if you don't want to do it, just untake it. And you can see if you want to send it to your story, you can actually do that also. So basically that's how you actually share the Instagram reel. And also if you want to explore other people's Instagram reels, all you have to do is basically just click the search icon, and here you can see the already seeing the Instagram reels here. Just click it, and if you just swipe it, you can actually explore different Instagram reels. And if you want to actually use their voice audio, just click there in the audio section, and you can actually see here the use audio, basically just like TikTok, right? So anyway, that's how you guys do it, and it is an interesting feature. Let's see who's gonna win, Instagram reels or TikTok. And I think USA also making some things like, it seems like they are also going to ban TikTok, right? I don't know. But anyway, let's see. So anyway guys, that's it guys. I hope it helpful, and basically see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye guys.